take a picture through the wall here and see the plastic bag blowing up inside there.
Okay, fantastic.
So we're just going to run it until either the installation screws pull out and the thing comes off,
Okay.
or until the cap pops off of it or something like that.
Okay, great.
All right.
We'll have fun with it.
Clint will
Okay.
take care of you. He's
275. $275-mile-an-hour winds. Heard some cracking. Okay.
Only one. That was 275.
That sounds pretty good. I mean, that's like what? Tornado?
That's more than tornado.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
that's more than a hurricane. A lot more.
A lot more than a hurricane, yeah.
So I mean
that's pretty much it.
I mean,
I'm good with that if y'all are.
yeah, we're good with it.
I mean, that's a failure there, so that's all right.
Yeah. So, yeah, but that's a huge amount of pressure right there.
Yeah, yeah. Cool.
So, building.
Well, yeah. I mean, it's all right. I'm just.
All right, let's take the plastic off.
Okay, so maybe it's perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So it's actually okay.
Yeah. Everything looks good. I mean.
Interesting. Okay, so it really was putting pressure on the outside housing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the bag is putting more pressure on this.
Got it. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking maybe it was pushing against that, but yeah, the test is designed to do what it did.
It
Interesting.
filled up pretty well. So.
Wow. Interesting.